Dear video, I gave you examples of imaginative based articles. So today in my this video again I am taking three examples of imaginative based articles. Now the first one is if I become a police officer. So here the format is to be followed, like I have written my name, so you people can write your own name. We'll start like this. I always want to serve my motherland, and whenever I see any police officer in movies, I get inspired. If I get a chance to achieve my aim, I would try to improve the working system of this department. I would try to remove corruption and would try to make all officers punctual. I would do my duty sincerely and would ask my colleagues to follow the same. I would always help the poor and needy people. I would give chance to the culprits to improve themselves. I would really work hard to keep my city and its people safe. If all the police officers would do their duties sincerely, then our country will become the best country of the world. This can be a positive thing which you can imagine. Now we'll take the another example. If it is if I'm prime minister of my country, as everyone wants to improve our country, and in one way or the other they want some improvements in that, so that you can do if you become the leader of the country. So if I ever become the prime minister of India, I shall devote myself to my country. I would take all important steps which will help my country to become a developed country in which all people would get employment and no one remains poor. I would try to make an honest government and would establish strong relations with foreign, would give more importance to the teaching of science and technology. I really wish someday or the other I became the Prime Minister of India and help my country to occupy a respectable position in the world. Now, the last example we can take about if I were an astronaut. See, it's a dream of every child that they really want to travel in space. So this also you can write. We'll start like this. If I ever become an astronaut in future, that day would be my best day. I always want to go in space to enjoy the spacecraft journey. Being an astronaut, I would be part of a super team and would work with astronauts around the world. We all would learn from each other. I would have a special spacewalk and fix a section of the space station. Stars, planets, and deep space would be all around. I would try to keep my food from floating away as the gravity in the space moves things upward. I would sleep stuck to the wall. I would do cool science experiments and could even discover new medicines. My each day would be an adventure and would be for my country's development. So this can be a dream of every child which everyone wants to fulfill. So in this manner you can write your imagination based articles. Some examples I have given, other you can write yourself.